undeniable fact that all the roads and routes to A-class had been barricaded by policemen. We had spoken to one of the senior police officers here on the ground, and then we did ask, are policemen here in line with our letter to the Commissioner of Police, FCT, to give us protection to do our event, or are they here to prevent us as threatened by the FCT Minister Nyesom Wike? And she had responded in a very polite manner to say, while they are not here at our instance, they are here to ensure that there is no breakdown of law and order. But we understood the language. And as law-abiding individuals and leaders, we feel that we will not make the work of the police difficult. We are aware that there are certain undesirable elements. Some talks had been hired, and they are hiding close by with a view to create mayhem, with a view to disturbing public peace so that it will be ascribed to us. So we are not insisting on moving into the A-class event center, even though we have a valid and subsisting contract between us and them. In any case, the event for the day had been done. President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan has been adopted as our presidential candidate. PDP! So I want to urge on our leaders and elders and distinguished party men and women, especially our delegates for this 2026 special national convention, to say the deed indeed has been done. So this will bring us to the end of this special convention. There is a lot of work ahead of us, but we want to say, without missing words, that PDP is a registered party. We have every right as citizens of this country to come together to conduct our activities in line with the provisions of the law. The Constitution has given us right, the Electoral Act has given us right, and INEC, which is the regulator of the activities of political parties in this country, is aware that we are going to have this function today. And so anybody, no matter how highly placed, no matter how highly opinionated they may be about themselves, or no matter how they think that they can use their positions to thwart democracy, we want to tell them that Nigeria is bigger than anybody and any group of persons. We will.
That I see this situation that so many years after democracy, we are still being reduced to this. I thank God that I'm one of the founding fathers of this party, and PDP is a legacy party. Yes. We were the ones who did the transition to democracy in Nigeria. When we negotiated with the military government in 1998, believe you me, it was so serious that we were not going to agree to be part of a transition program as civilian political leaders unless three things happened. And our argument was so serious, our position was so serious, that I remember that Dr. Kofi Annan, you remember him, the Secretary General of the UN at that time, came all the way from New York to chair that meeting between us and the government of the day. The meeting was held at the Nikon Hilton. I remember it very clearly. And three distinguished Nigerians represented the political class. Dr. Alex Ekweme, of blessed memory, Senator Abraham Adesanya, of blessed memory, and myself, Professor Jerry Gana, still on this side. But I'm sad on this side, I'm still very, very sad that after so many years of development in Nigeria, we are still being reduced to this under democracy. The first thing we are insisting is that we are not going to be part of the transition program unless the Electoral Commission became the Independent National Electoral Commission.
Yes. Yes.
Unfortunately, after so many years of development, is INEC now independent? No. We insisted and they agreed. That's how the name, you remember, most of you remember that before we had the National Electoral Commission, we were the ones who said, now look, we have to have independent National Electoral Commission. And believe me, for a number of years, at least when the PDP was in power, INEC did their best to be independent. Today's INEC is not independent. Today's INEC is really a mess. And if you don't have a good empire, you can't have good elections. Yes. And democracy cannot survive if you can have good elections.
I greet all of you. I salute your courage. You are so courageous. In spite of the intimidation, we are here in our numbers. I have the singular honor and privilege to move a motion that on behalf of all the state chairmen that conducted free, fair, credible primaries in their various states, and having adopted President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan as his sole presidential candidate, I hereby move that this special convention do ratify the motion. Thank you.
Any seconder?
PDP! Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. To speak on behalf of the founding fathers and mothers, Dame Esther, as we draw this to a close. You take the I don't know.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.
إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين ربنا تقبل منا دعاءنا وصلاتنا آلنا إنك أنت السميع العليم إنك أنت ملك النصير إنك أنت التواب الرحيم إنك أنت